G'day, how are you this arvo? In Australian English, words that end with ER, OR, AS, AR, URE, OUR, RE, and A all make exactly the same sound at the end. One sound, 8 spellings, and that's it. I told you it was big. The sound is a short You drop your jaw, keep your tongue completely flat, and say not the long version like in start or glass. This is a short sound. Open, relaxed, So you'll be saying speaker, dollar, and camera. The end of the word opens up and drops. And that's it. That's the entire secret. People will start telling you how Australian you sound. It's crazy, but it's true. Here's the problem. Most English learners have been taught American English, and in American English, speakers curl their tongue up and pull it back to make a strong sound at the end of these words, like my friend Ken here.
Speaker, dollar.
That curled is all over American English, and if that's what you've been hearing, it's what your mouth wants to do. But it's the one thing standing between you and sounding completely Australian. In Australian English, the tongue stays flat. The jaw stays open. No curl, no pull, just Master this one sound and I promise you people will notice immediately. Let's practice. Say each word loud after me. Don't be shy because this is where the magic happens. Now Tash is going to take you through a heap of practice words so you can make sure that your tongue and your jaw are doing exactly the right thing and so that you sound exactly like an Aussie.
Let's practice. Say each word out loud after me. Saying the words out loud and getting to know what your mouth muscles need to do is important. It's actually where the magic happens. Words ending in ER. Speaker. Speaker. Teacher. Teacher. Dinner. Dinner. Corner. Corner. Words ending in OR. Professor. Professor. Senator. Senator. Elevator. Elevator. Visitor. Visitor. Words ending in AR. Popular. Popular. Vinegar. Vinegar. Dollar. Dollar. Familiar. Familiar. Words ending in URE. Adventure. Adventure. Picture. Picture. Culture. Culture. Creature. Creature. Words ending in OUR. Color. Color. Harbor. Harbor. Labor. Labor. Armor. Armor. Words ending in A. Pizza. Pizza. Camera. Camera. Banana. Banana. Idea. Idea. Words ending in ARE. Liter. Liter. Meter. Meter. Fiber. Fiber. Caliber. caliber. We're about to do a whole second round with brand new words, and this is where it really, truly locks in. Now, I want to point something out. This is a short lesson. Once you've watched to the end, go back and watch the whole thing again. Say every word out loud both rounds, and I guarantee you'll feel the difference. Your mouth will start to get it. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the button. We've got a whole channel of hacks like this one, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Same hack, brand new words. Say them after me and really commit to that flat tongue. Words ending in ER. Butter. Butter. Summer. Summer. Silver. Silver. Wonder. Wonder. Words ending in OR. Doctor. Doctor. Instructor. Instructor. Calculator. Calculator. Junior. Junior. Words ending in AR. Regular. Regular. Similar. Similar. Muscular. Muscular. Spectacular. Spectacular. Now let's look at words ending in URE. Pressure. Pressure. Lecture. Lecture. Furniture. Furniture. Mixture. Mixture. Words ending in OUR. Honor. Honor. Glamour. Glamour. Flavor. Flavor. Vigor. Vigor. Words ending in A. Agenda. Agenda. Formula. Formula. Extra. Extra. Koala. Koala. And the last set, words ending in RE. Ogre. Ogre. Acre. Acre. Center. Center. Mitre. Mitre. There you go. One hack, one sound, hundreds of words. That's genuinely all you need. I told you it was going to change your life. Now, go back and watch this again. Seriously, it's less than 10 minutes. You have time. Jump back in again and say all of the words out loud again, and the next time you speak to an Australian, they'll probably think you were born here. Good work, mate. Well done. Remember to subscribe so we can keep bringing you free lessons, and tell me in the comments below if this lesson helped your Australian accent. Cheers!